Today I have a Dodge Challenger, and I'm going to show you how to open the hood on this specific Dodge Challenger. I'm going to show you the process of releasing the latch and then the safety latch to open up the hood to keep it open so you can do whatever you need to under the hood. Whatever you do on the hood, that's your business, not mine. But I'm going to show you how to open the hood. But before I get started, if you find my video helpful in any way, can you give me a thumbs up as well as subscribe to my channel? I'll appreciate it tremendously. Now, with that being said, let's go ahead and open up the hood of this Dodge Challenger. All right, so I'm sitting in the vehicle. It's currently off. It's in park. What I'm going to do is, in order to open the hood, I'm going to reach down towards where the feet are. Now, if I open this down, open the door so you can see it a little bit better, I'm going to come right here. And you see this lever right here, or this pulley system? I'm going to pull it. When I pull it, I heard a little pop. Now that's just step one of opening up the hood. I pulled it, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to walk outside of the vehicle, and then I'm going to come around, mountain when I come. All right, so got to the front of the vehicle, and guess what? I try to raise it to no avail. I cannot raise it. And why is that? Because you have to get the safety latch, okay? You gotta find the safety latch on this. So I'm gonna reach in, and the safety latch on this particular Dodge Challenger is down here at the bottom. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna take my fingers, gonna put it inside, go down right there, and then shift it that way. You see that? I'm gonna go inside, go down a little bit, curve it a little bit, and then go like that. And that's going to release the hood, and I'm able to raise it. Now watch this. I'm going to go inside, curve it, and then I can lift it with the other hand, and it raises up. Now you see this model right here doesn't need a kickstand whatsoever. All right, so it raises up and it stays open just like that. I raise it up just like that. All right. I hope this video was helpful in getting your hood open. Do whatever you need to inside. That's your business. All right. Hope it was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.